Okay, so we will start the session. Guys, please confirm me if I'm audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm just sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Yes, please confirm if my screen is visible to you. Okay, thank you. So today we are going to see macros in Excel. Okay. So yesterday also we started, with the introduction, but as you know, there were some technical issues. We'll repeat those things again. So first of all, I told you like what exactly macros is. Okay, so macros is a recorded set of actions that we automate to to automate our repeated task in Excel. Okay, so as one of the example yesterday, I told you that I have this employee data, and whenever I want to highlight